looking unto Jesus. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2 says, looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and is sit down at the right hand of the throne of God. Namasdan natin si Jesus na gumawa at sumakdal ng ating pananampalataya na siya dahil sa kagalakang inilagay sa harapan niya ay nagtiis ng cross na niwalang bahala ang kahihiyan at umupo sa kanan ng luklukan ng Diyos. This verse speaks about focus. By focusing on Jesus, we believers can find strength to persevere through our own difficulties, like an athlete who runs a race with the finish line in sight. So if we focus on God, we will surely win. Praise the Lord.